Let's learn how to make smooth lump-free semovita. Ahlan wa sahlan, it's your girl Hilda. You're welcome to Cook with HHM. In your cooking pot, make a paste with semovita powder about 4 to 5 tablespoons and bring it to a boil. As it begins to boil vigorously like this, you can start adding in your semovita powder and mix till you get a smooth consistency, just as it's shown in this video. Then add in some water, boiled water that you reserved earlier. Cover and let it cook for like 3 minutes. Then stir till the water is well incorporated into the semo and you have one whole smooth swallow ball. If there is need for you to add in more water, you can do so. Hot water, then mix well till you get your desired consistency. Wasn't okay with this consistency, how thick it was, so I went in with more hot water and gave it a thorough mix before bringing it down. So here is my semo out of the heat. I'm just using this scraper to pack it. So you dip it in cold water, use it to smoothen it up before you start portioning into plates. Or if you are going to use a wrap, use a wrap for it. You can see how smooth it is. Enjoy this semo with any soup of your choice. So see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.